most amazing and weirdest fact I ever know about black hole is that if you look at an object which is falling inside a black hole, then you can't actually see entering that object inside a black hole. No matter how long you keep an eye at that specific object. This is because of time dilation. So guys, this fact is also blow my mind, and also I pretty much sure that it will also amaze others people. So now let us know about something it in a detail. I want to say about this fact is that if we humans or any astronomer of any parts of the world are watching or observing at any object which is falling inside a black hole, then the astronomer or we humans can't see that object actually when that object is entering inside a black hole. This is because of very rare and very important terms of physics, that is because of the time dilation. Yes guys, you listen it right, that if any object which is falling inside an black hole, then we humans can't able to see that object while entering the black holes. As I mentioned it earlier, that it is because of time dilation. No matter how many hours or for how many duration we keep it and keep it eye on that specific. Amazing and interesting fact about black hole is that you will surprised to know that our astronomer actually see, or you guys can see that our astronomer actually saw an rare phenomena that is about a black hole. So as I said earlier, that the most interesting and weirdest fact about black hole is that you will surprised to know that our astronomer actually saw a star which turned into black hole. Yes guys, you listen it right, that our astronomer also saw this event, and this in 2015 our astronomer saw a giant star which turns into a black hole. Yes guys, you listen it right, as I said 2 times because to remember you and not to forget about you. So guys, as I said earlier, that the biggest fact about black hole is that you will surprised to know that our astronomer actually see a giant dying star which actually turn into black hole. And so in 2015 same kinds of events, that is a giant dying star turns into a black hole. In 2015 many astronomers saw this event and also recorded this event in supercomputer to tell human species, and also to record in the astronomy books, which will help many future astronomers. So in 2015 many astronomers of the other parts of the world saw this event, and they said that this event occurs open. This event actually occurs often, they occurs quickly, but we humans can't imagine it. We humans don't know. One of the most weirdest fact I ever know about the black hole is that, shockingly or surprisingly, if any humans, suppose, let us take example for you viewers, that if anybody falls into the black holes, then do you imagine that what happens to that human? Just imagine for a second, or just let me know in the comment box by just pausing this video. Yes guys, just imagine that what happens if if any humans or any astronomer who travels in the space, if they fall into a black hole. Shockingly or surprisingly, the result is that if any humans, species or any astronaut, if they falls into the black hole or enters into the black hole, then do you know that what happens to it? Then let us know about it. If any humans and if any astronomer falls into that black hole, then that specific person will able to know the starting and the ending point of the universe because of time dilation. Yes guys, you listen it right, that if any person actually if they falls inside a black hole or enter inside a black hole, then that specific person, either any common human beings or either any space travels as astronaut, if any specific or certain person falls into a black hole, then that specific person will able to know the starting and ending part or ending duration of the universe. So now another most interesting and weirdest fact about space or outer space is that there are almostly 275 million stars are born every day in our universe. Yes guys, you listen it right, that about 275 days, sorry guys, in 24 hours, almostly 275 million stars are born each and every 24 hours. That means in a day there are almostly 275 million stars are born each and every day of week or a month or a year. Yes guys, you listen it right, that this is also amaze my minds, and I think it will also amaze your minds. So this fact is actually is that each and every day, that means in 24 hours, we also know that in a day there is 24 hours, but in actually there is 23.55 minutes and something seconds. I think it's a exact estimated time of the rotation of the earth, but we humans take 24 hours to better understanding for the students of any classes. So now let us know about the third, which we just know about the facts about the stars. So guys, as I said, as we know earlier, that there are almostly 225 million stars are born each and every day of the week. Yes guys, they are almostly, please guys remember it or write it in any of your books or any of your copy, that there are almostly 225 million stars are born each and every day. That means in 24 hours there are 225 million stars are born. So let's recall what we have learned in this video. So our first weirdest and amazing fact which we know earlier is that if we humans, or if you are, or guys, if any astronomers or if any person are seeing or observing any object which is falling inside a black hole, then actually that specific person or that specific astronomer will actually not see that object falling or entering inside a black hole. Yes guys, you listen it right, that if any person is observing or looking at any object which is falling or which is in the process of entering inside a black hole, then that humans, that specific or that certain person will not actually see that object while entering inside the black hole. Yes guys, this is because of the process called of time dilation, and yeah, it's not no matter how many hours or how many days or how many years we keep eyes on that specific object. And now our second most weirdest and amazing fact about black hole, we know earlier that if any person shockingly or surprisingly, if they falls or enter inside a black hole, then that specific person will realize, or that specific or certain person will actually see the ending and starting point of the universe. And the third most amazing and weirdest fact about this space is that, do you know guys that we earlier know that about 275 million stars are born each and every day. Yes guys, you listen it right, that about 275 million stars are born each and every day of the week, or each day of every day of the month, or each day of every year. Yes guys, you listen it right, that please note it down if possible, that almost 275 million stars are born each and every day. And now the another most interesting and amazing fact we know is that, do you know guys that our astronomer actually saw a rare event, or you guys can say that they are for the first time they are able to capture or snap some magnificent video or image of any black hole. Yes guys, you listen it right, that that some astronomers of the world, they just observe a rare event about black hole, that they just saw the event of black hole, as I said earlier, that they just saw a giant dying star turning into a black hole. Yes guys, you listen it right, that for the first time of the history of the astronomy, they are capable of snapping the magnificence and rare events, that is a dying star turning into a black hole. So this happened in 2015. So now let us go back to in 2015. So in 2015, an group of senior, or you guys can say that, a group of intellectual astronomers gathered together, and they just snapped the magnificent rare events of our mother universe. So as I said earlier that, or you guys can say that, as we know earlier that that groups of intellectual astronomers, they recorded a dying star turning into black hole. They also say that these events occurs common than we think. So hope you guys you learned something from this video, and yeah, if you learned something from this video, then give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel, so that whenever we upload our new video, you will get the notification first. So guys, bye bye, see you soon.